Clarksville is one of Tennessee's fastest growing manufacturing hubs. But what exactly are we making? Let's go inside and see what Made in Clarksville really means.
I'm Jake. I work in R&D department in LG Electronics in Clarksville, Tennessee. We make wash towers here and also front load and top load dryers and washers. Last year we made 1,400,000 units, and this year we're expected to make 1,800,000 units. So at the front of the line we have our Anami presses, which turn our sheets into cabinets to be assembled with our base cabinet, and that will create the casing for our entire unit, and that's where the line starts. And then we add our motors, our PCBs, and our drums, and then we go to the exterior, our control panels, our top plate, our cabinet covers. And once that's done, it goes through our function testing in our LQC line, and then once it passes through all those testings, we go through our packaging to be shipped to our customers. In 2023, we were recognized by the World Economic Forum as a lighthouse factory for our advanced technology and production efficiency. So you can find our products globally, but you can find them also locally in Clarksville, Tennessee, in Lowe's, Best Buy, Home Depot, and soon Costco. LG Electronics is very proud to produce these units here in Clarksville, Tennessee, and we appreciate you having us here.
Made in Clarksville, where companies choose to grow.